So I had a bunch of tokens for this AI coding tool, bolt.new, that were about to expire. I figured, why not put them to the test? My next request was simple. I need a metronome to keep a steady rhythm.
No complicated logic, no searching for libraries. You just ask.
And this is where the magic happens. The AI analyzes the code, figures out exactly where to add the new feature, and presents a plan.
And with one click, bam, there it is, a metronome, live in the app. And it's not just for show, it's fully functional. You can turn it on and off and adjust the beats per minute. Okay, but it's looking a little cluttered, right? The controls are taking up a lot of space.
Exactly. So the next prompt was about user experience. Make the controls more compact.
Now it's tidier, smarter, and more compact.
To make this feel more authentic, it needed a proper time signature.
And there you have it. A 4/4 time signature appears right on the staff, just like real sheet music.
In listen mode, the app plays the song for you.
From a simple idea to a fully functional interactive app, all built through conversation.
It was a fun way to use my last few tokens.
The future of building things is definitely here. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.